Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Vanguard Zadie in Fortnite. To begin, you can earn the Vanguard Zadie outfit and her matching cosmetic items, like a pickaxe and back bling, as free rewards. This exciting opportunity requires you to earn account levels within the game. Make sure to log into Fortnite during the specified event period to ensure these special quests are activated for your account. This is your first step towards adding these unique items to your locker. Unlocking Vanguard Zadie's full set involves reaching specific account level milestones. First, you will earn Zadie's Blade Pickaxe by gaining 15 account levels. Next, the stylish Zadie's Blade Back Bling becomes yours after achieving 30 account levels. Finally, the complete Vanguard Zadie outfit is unlocked once you have earned a total of 50 account levels. Each level brings you closer to completing this impressive collection. To efficiently earn the necessary account levels, focus on several key strategies. Prioritize completing your daily and weekly quests, as these offer consistent experience across all game modes. Additionally, dive into any available story quests and milestone challenges, which often provide substantial experience point rewards. Don't forget to explore other modes like Creative, Fortnite Festival, and Lego Fortnite, as they also offer excellent opportunities to rack up extra experience. Beyond the base outfit, you can also unlock unique rank-based styles for your Vanguard Zadie skin. These special styles are determined by your highest achieved rank across various Fortnite modes, including Battle Royale and Zero Build. Remember to regularly check your progress in the Quests tab to monitor your level accumulation. Be sure to complete all requirements before the event concludes to secure all these fantastic rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.